If you're wondering how to put your Samsung 7 series into retail mode, so store mode rather than home mode, I'm going to show you how to do it. Normally you wouldn't do this, but if you want to do it, this is how you do it. So you need to go to the settings button on your remote control, and we need to go down to where it says general. So we're going to be using the arrows here and this button to enter. So go down to general, press enter. We want to go to system manager, press enter. And then we want to work our way down to usage. At the moment, usage mode says home mode. Press enter. It's going to ask you to put your PIN number in. By default, it will be 0000. Obviously, if you've put a different PIN in, then you have to do that PIN. We're going to go down to retail mode and press enter. And it says, are you sure you want to use TV in retail mode? Retail mode is only intended for use in retail shops. If you choose retail mode, the picture settings will reset every 5 minutes. So it didn't give me a chance to do that because I was reading it out. So I'm just going to go through that again. Settings, general, system manager. Go down to usage mode. Enter the PIN. Go down to retail. And this time I'm going to go over to OK. And there we go, we are now in retail mode. So you will find that the screen will reset itself every so many minutes. And then just press exit. So now you're in store mode. Thanks for watching.